I walked alone through crowded streets. Smiles were masked and hearts discreet. Every word a painted show. Truth was something no one knows. I tried to run from all I saw, from empty eyes and broken laws. The more I fled, the more I learned. The fire inside me still burned. The world was loud yet hollow inside. I search for warmth where souls collide, but every touch just slipped away, till silence taught me how to stay. For no reason at all, I found my peace. No borrowed love, no false release. The storm was mine, but so is calm. The hurt became my healing song. For no reason at all, I'm standing tall. The joy I lost was mine alone. I saw their laughter built on lies, hiding tears they'd memorized. I played their game but lost myself, left my truth on a dusty shelf. The harder I fought, the clearer it grew. The chains were made by my own view. Freedom came not from the crowd, but in my heart, quiet and proud. No one told me, no one could. The world's disguise was misunderstood. You can't steal light, it's born within. You only lose when you give in. For no reason at all, I found my peace. No borrowed love, no false release. The storm was mine, but so was calm. The hurt